In today's video, I will show you how quickly you can set up the starter repository I have published for building your own component library. And also I will walk you through the process of adding new components. Go to this link and start the repo. Fork it or clone it. Open VS Code and open terminal and paste it. Go to the folder, install everything and wait. Now run it locally. Oh, that's great. It successfully ran it locally. So now let's add a new component. Open VS Code again. Now go to register, create a new component called demo and add a file index.tsx and add content. So I will add demo content or demo component. Open doc.json and create a new object for the new component, or you can easily add it in the button component. Now add this component in doc.ts so that we can get it in the sidebar and search bar. So the link will be demo and it will be demo component. And remember one thing, if it's not in the component, then just add it in the default. It's called special component. So go to content and create a new MDX called demo and change the name to demo and then remove everything we have. And now you just need to do one thing, is just copy the name and paste it over here. And now if I go to get start, and did you see there's a component called demo component, and if I click over there, did you see it's a component, demo component, and this is the code. I think that's all you need to learn to create your own component library. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share it to your friends and family.
Bye bye.